In this video we will show how to change the spare parts and pipes of Doit wet jet machine. For leakages and other issues you will need to open the bottom cover of the machine after removing the electric connections and pipes connected to the pen. First check for leakages in small pneumatic pipes at various fittings. If there is no leakage in the pneumatic pipe, then check the silicone pipe as shown here in the video for leakages and replacement. Close the air regulator before removing any connections to avoid safety issues. Remove the silicone pipe and replace it with the new silicone pipe provided by Doit Industries Private Limited. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.